Students, welcome to SKH Life Explorer. In this video, we will be learning about three-column Cashbook. So let's start. So as in the last video, you have seen the two-column Cashbook where we had two debit column, the cash and bank, and two credit column, cash and bank. If you haven't watched that video, so it's better for you to watch that video first, because if you can learn two-column Cashbook well, then three-column Cashbook will be an easy thing for you. So let's begin. So it's as it's indicated by its name, three-column cash book. So it has three columns on the debit side. So one additional column we have is discount allowed. As you know that discount allowed is our expense. So expenses are always recorded on debit side. So that's why we have that column of discount on the debit side. Even though if we don't write the word allowed, still it means discount allowed, because on the debit side it will always be discount allowed. So I have written it here so you can understand. And on the credit side we have one additional column as well, which is discount received. So before I start explaining that, so you need to remember one thing, that only cash discount is recorded in our books. So this is the note. So I'll repeat it again. Only cash discount is recorded in books. How the trade discount is not recorded. So we have already a video on how to record cash discount and trade discount in journal. If you can watch that video, it will help you to clear your doubts and concept about cash discount and trade discount. So without wasting any time, so there are few transactions here. So in this video, actually I will try to cover some of the things of two column cash book as well. So we'll record these transactions in this three column cash book. But remember one thing, I haven't added any dates here, but in your exams, in your questions, you need to make sure you write the dates, as the dates has correct dates has number in the exam. So Mr. James started business with cash 50,000. So cash is coming into the business. So I will write 50,000 on the cash, and the reason is capital. Students, in the last video, I told you one more thing, that while you are recording numbers in these column, you need to be very careful, because if you record one transaction in the wrong column, your entire balance will be wrong. And technically, you can lose 2 to 4 marks for that. So I hope you will remember that. Then deposited into the bank. So it's a contra entry. So bank account will go up by 25,000, while the cash account will go down with 25,000. So I can write here deposited into bank, and I will use the same description in the on the debit side as well. So yeah, let's go to the next entry. Bought goods from Mr. James. So you remember that when we buy goods on credit, we don't record that transaction in the cash book. So it's a credit transaction, so cash is not involved in this transaction, so we are not going to do that. Then it says paid Mr. James after getting 10% discount. So when we reach to Mr. James, when we are paying him, he gave us 10% discount. So we had to pay him 1,000. So 10% of 1,000 is 100. You can use calculator to calculate. So it means that we are getting 10% discount when we had to pay 1,000 to Mr. James. So we are paying him by cash. So we will go there, and here we will write the names that we are paying to Mr. James. So how much discount he is giving us? 100. And how much we are paying him then? 900. So this is how we record discount in our cash book, discount received. Let's go to the next transaction. Sold goods to James. So again, I'm using the same name. So let's change the name maybe. So I'll put Jack. So sold goods to Jack for 4,000. So as this is also a credit transaction, so I'm not gonna record it in our books. But here Mr. James paid us by check after 5% discount. So it means that he is paying us 4,000 and we are giving him discount. So we have to see how much is the 5% of 4,000. So 4,000 into 5 divided by 100, and that is 200. So this time, students, we are giving him discount. So I will write here discount 200, and he is paying us by check. So it is 3,800 the money we are receiving from Jack. So you can have look at this entry again. So 4,000 he is paying us and we are giving him 5% discount. So as we are giving him discount, it's discount allowed. So I recorded it in discount allowed column, and after discount he is paying us 3,800. Then paid rent by check, another simple entry. So 500 paid by check. So bank will be credited by 500. So I can write the details here. Rent account, and the final entry bought goods for cash at 10% discount. So it's a trade discount. So as you know that we don't record trade discount in our books. However, we will record the transaction in our book. So we are buying goods for cash and we are paying 2,000, but after discount we are paying, so 10% of 2,000 is 200. So how much we are paying to that person? 1,800. So in the cash account we will write 1,800, and I will write here purchases account. So I will not write discount here because this is cash discount. I hope it is clear now. So guys, you know how to balance the cash and bank. So I'll not take your time to teach you again how to balance, but I will tell you what to do with discount allowed and discount received. So unlikely cash and bank, we will not balance these account. This is very simple. We will just write the total of both columns. So 200 is discount allowed and 100 is discount received. We can't balance these account because these both are different accounts. So guys, this was the three column cash book. So in the next lesson, we will learn about rectification or correction of errors, but make sure you revise your journal first. If you don't know journal, you cannot learn that topic. So keep watching, keep subscribing and sharing. It will help students and it will keep me motivated as well. Take care and goodbye.